Hello. Today we're going to work on this lesson, which is from the iReady Math for first grade. It's lesson 24, session 2, practice, on page 614. And lesson 4 is called Tell Time. So that's what we're going to do. So say, I am learning to tell time on an analog and digital clock to the hour. All of the times on this page are to the hour. Okay, so let's get started. And I'm going to make this a little closer. So it says show 1 o'clock. So we're going to start with the hour hand first. That's the smaller hand. Okay, always start with the hour first. So he points to the 1, but not all the way. And then o'clock, which is 0 minutes, is at the top of the clock. So it points all the way to the top. These are the minutes. This is the hour. This is the minutes. And the hour hand is shorter. The minute hand is longer. So it's pointing to 0 minutes. And this is 5 minutes. This is 10 minutes. 15, 20, 25. You don't have to write this down. I just want you to know. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And it starts over again at 0 minutes, okay? Okay, let's move on to this one, number 6. It says show 10 o'clock with no minutes, 10 o'clock, right? So the little hand goes first, the hour hand goes first. Where should it be pointing to? To the 10. So see, there's the 10. I'm going to draw the little hand pointing to the 10 right there. Okay, now where is 0 minutes? 0 minutes is all the way up here at the top of the clock. So make sure that your hand's pointing to these 2 zeros up here at the top of the clock. And make sure this hand is longer than the hour hand. This is the hour hand, this is the minute hand. Okay, let's move on to number 7. Number 7 is an analog clock, or a digital clock rather. So it shows the numbers instead of showing the clock face like this one. So 4 o'clock. So you see these little lines here? That's where the numbers should go. So we're going to write the 4 right here, and this 0 right here. Now, if you want to, you could also write the 0 in front of the 4 because there's nothing in front of the 4. It's not a 2-digit number. It's a 1-digit number. So we put the 0 to show that there's nothing in front of it. Okay? It doesn't have a 0 here, but, you know, it could be a 0. So 4 o'clock. 4 with 0 minutes. Go ahead and write that down. Okay, we're going to show 6 o'clock. So how many minutes do we have on 6 o'clock? 0, right? So let's write that down. See that you want to trace these little like blocks here? You see them? You want to trace them because that's how they write 0. That's how they write 0 minutes on a digital clock. Okay, number 6. We're going to write here. Cling, 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 cling. That's how you write 6 on a digital clock. Can you do that? Start here at the top of this line. See how it's got this shape? At the top of the shape, go down to the bottom, turn, turn, turn. There you go. And now there's nothing here, right? So we're going to put 0 in front of it. Just so you know that there's nothing there. There's no minutes in front of the 6. It's 6 hours and 0 minutes. Go ahead and write that down. Okay, let's move on to this. This is an analog clock. This is a digital clock. So we're going to do the analog clock now. Okay, it says show 8 o'clock. We're going to start with the hours first, the smaller hand. Where should it point to? Yeah, 8. The hour is 8. So here we go. Right there. Point to 8. How many minutes are there? 0 minutes, right? So we're going to point to the top where the 0 minutes begin. There you go. 8 o'clock with 0 minutes. Okay, let's do number 10. What time does the clock show? Circle. So the small hand, the arrow hand, is on the 9, pointing right at it, and the long mini hand is pointing to the beginning of the clock. So what time do you think it is? Do you think it's 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, or 9 o'clock? Circle the one that you think is the right answer. I didn't tell you the answer, did I? I did not. I wanted you to try and guess without me to see if you understand it. Okay, after you circle your answer from one of these three, you are done. So what were we learning today? We're learning to show the time to the hour on the analog clock and the digital clock. Okay, great job. Let me stop the video now.